Hello students, in previous video we have seen definition of matrix, types of matrices. In this video we will see addition of matrix addition. Definition: if A is equal to matrix Aij and B is equal to matrix Bij are two m by n matrices, then addition of A and B written as A plus B is the m by n matrix C is equal to matrix Cij defined by Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. One is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to n, and one is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to n, since number of columns are n. That is, the sum of A and B is a matrix C whose entries are the sum of the corresponding entries of matrix A and B. See here, what is a matrix addition? If A is equals to matrix Aij, B is equals to matrix Bij are two m by n matrices, that is, number of rows are m and number of columns are n. Then sum of A and B is written as A plus B is the m by n matrix C is equals to matrix Cij is defined as Cij is equals to Aij plus Bij. That is, C11 is equals to we get A11 plus B11. C12 means A12 plus B12. C13 means A13 plus B13, and so on. That is, sum of A and B is nothing but the matrix C whose entries are the sum of the corresponding entries of A and B. Let us see examples on matrix addition. For example, first let A is equal to matrix 1 minus 1 0 2 3 5 minus 3 4 6. B is equal to minus 2 4 6 6 0 minus 1 2 3 minus 3, and C is equal to matrix 1 minus 1 2 2 3 6. then A plus B. We have to find addition of A and B. Addition of A and B is nothing but the matrix C, whose entries are the sum of the corresponding entries of A and B. So let us add entries in first row, first column, 1 minus 2. Second, let us add entries in first row and in second column, minus 1 plus 4. Next, add entry in first row and third column, 0 plus 6. Next, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 3, minus 1 plus 5, minus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3 and minus 6 minus 3. Therefore, A plus B is equal to minus 1, 3, 6, 8, 3, 4, minus 1, 7, 3. For addition, we have to add corresponding entries of A and B. While A plus C or B plus C is not defined. Why this is? Because or since they are not of same size. For matrix addition, we require both matrices are of same size. Let us take one remark. We can extend the addition of two matrices to addition of three or more matrices. That is, we can add 3 or more matrices. Let us take next definition, scalar multiplication. Definition: if A is equals to matrix Aij is an m by n matrix and K is a real number, then scalar multiple of A by K denoted by K into A is the m by n matrix B is equals to matrix Bij defined by Bij is equals to K into Aij. 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to n, and 1 is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to n. That is, B is obtained by multiplying each entry in A by K. What is a scalar multiplication? If A is equals to matrix Aij is m by n matrix. M by n matrix means number of rows are m and number of columns are n. K is any real number. Scalar multiple of A by K denoted by K into A is again m by n matrix. B is equals to Bij defined by Bij is equals to K into Aij. That is, B is obtained by multiplying each entry in A by K. Write down one note. If A and B are m by n matrices, if A and B are m by n matrices, if K is equals to -1, then K into B is equals to -1 into B, which is equals to matrix minus Bij. That is, multiply each entry in B by -1. We use this to define the difference of matrices A and B as A minus B is equals to A plus minus 1 into B. Let us take one example on scalar multiplication. For example, matrix A is equals to 4 minus 5 1 5 6 7 2 3 1. Then 5 into 8 is equals to, I have to multiply each entry in A by 5. Therefore 4 into 5 20, minus 5 into 5 minus 25, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 5 30, 7 into 5 35, 2 into 5 10, 3 into 5 50, 5 into 1 5. This is matrix 5A. Let us see definition of the transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix. If A is equals to matrix Aij is an m by n matrix, then n by n matrix A raised to T is equals to matrix Bij, where Bij is equals to Aj. 1 is less than or equal to, I is less than or equal to n, and 1 is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to n. Is called transpose of matrix A. Transpose of matrix A. Thus, A raised to T means A transpose is obtained from A by interchanging row by interchanging row into column and column into row respectively. A transpose is nothing but A transpose is obtained from A by interchanging row into columns and column into rows respectively. For example, let matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 and B is equals to matrix 1 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. Then A transpose is equals to A transpose means we have to interchange row into columns and column into row respectively. Here row is 1 minus 1, it becomes column 1 minus 1 and second row is 4 minus 3, therefore it is a column 4 minus 3. And B transpose is equals to 1 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. B transpose is equals to 1 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. Students, always remember that A transpose is nothing but interchanging row into columns and columns into rows respectively. Let us see definition of bit matrices. Bit matrices. The computer technology mostly uses the information which is in the form of zeros and ones, called the zeros and ones called binary representation information. Binary representation information. In binary system, 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 1 into 1 is equals to 1, etc. Let us see definition of bit matrix. Definition. An n by n bit matrix is an m by n matrix all of whose entries are either 0 or 1. These numbers 0 and 1 are called bits. 0 and 1 usually represent no and s, or off and on. And are called bits. See here, what is bit matrix? Bit matrix is nothing but all of whose entries are either 0 or 1. For example, matrix A is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 is a 3 by 3 bit matrix. Is 3 by 3 bit matrix. Second, x bar is equals to 1 0 1 1 is a 4 bit vector. Why it is 4 bit vector? Because all entries in this vector is either 1 or 0. Third is 1 1 0 1 1 2. It is a 3 by 2 bit matrix. Is a 3 by 2 bit matrix. Let us take next definition of zero matrix. Zero matrix. A m by n matrix A is called zero matrix. If all the entries in A are 0. For example, matrix A is equals to 0 0 0 is a 2 by 2 0 matrix. Is 2 by 2 0 matrix. Zero matrix means all entries in matrix are 0. Let us take next definition, upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. Definition of upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. A matrix A is equals to matrix Aij is called upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is Aij is equals to 0 for I greater than j. It is called lower triangular matrix is Aij is equals to 0 for I is less than j. See here, what is upper triangular matrix? Matrix A is equals to matrix Aij is called upper triangular matrix if Aij is equals to 0 for I is greater than j, and it is called lower triangular matrix if Aij is equals to 0 for I is strictly less than j. A11, A12 and so on up to A1n. 0, A22 and so on up to A2n. 0, 0, A33 and so on up to A3n, and so on up to 0, and so on up to 0, so on up to 0, and so on up to MANN. This is a upper triangular matrix since I is greater than j. Upper triangular matrix, the elements below the main diagonal are all 0. Now we see what is lower triangular matrix. A11 0 and so on up to 0. A12 A22 and so on up to 0. A21 A31 A32 and so on up to A33 and so on up to 0 and so on up to AN1 AN2 and so on up to ANN. This is a lower triangular matrix in which Aij is equal to 0 for I is strictly less than j. Lower triangular matrix. The elements above the main diagonal are all 0. What is upper triangular matrix? A matrix in which the elements below the main diagonal are all 0. And lower triangular matrix means the elements above the main diagonal are all 0. For example, matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 3 4 0 2 4 5 0 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 3 0 0 3. It is a upper triangular matrix. Why it is upper triangular matrix? Since the elements below the diagonal entries are all 0 and B is equals to 2 0 0 1 2 0 2 3 5. It is an lower triangular matrix. Why it is lower triangular matrix? Because all the elements above the main diagonal are all 0. Thank you.